Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you send money from PayPal to Skrill account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You cannot send money directly from PayPal to Skrill because they are separatist wallet systems and don't allow cross transfers. So what you can do is simply head over and open up a browser, then open up paypal.com and log into your account. Then what you can do is withdraw money from PayPal to your linked bank account by simply heading over and then scrolling down, selecting withdraw option, and then choose a bank account and then confirm. Then deposit money from your bank account to your Skrill, and then next is to head over and open up your Skrill app and then log into your account. Then simply click on deposit and select bank transfer and follow the instructions. Then money will appear in your Skrill wallet after the transfer completes. That usually takes 1 to 5 business days depending on your bank. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.